Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Nayak. Today we have Vipul Rao sir with us. Sir, can I ask you some questions?
Yes, absolutely, Ashwarya.
Sir, which values or habits do you think have been most instrumental in your professional journey?
So I would say one value that was most impactful for me was being very much consistent and being clear with what I am doing. So clarity and consistency is something which does matter.
Right.
Okay, it does not matter that how much experience do you carry,
Right.
but if you have that clarity and consistency in what you are doing, so I think that is something which will definitely create the impact that you have opted for.
Right.
So that is something I would like to say.
Okay. Sir, my second question is, if you could change one thing about management education, what would it be?
Something about management education, I would suggest that come up with more practical examples rather than only focusing on theoretical
Right.
part. The kind of experience you guys are giving to students by calling us, by calling all the industry leaders, that is something which is really helpful for them to understand like how corporate really works, because these students, the freshers, they have their own picture and image of how the corporate works. So that is something which has to be clarified.
Right.
So this initiative that you guys are taking, that you guys please continue calling all the industry leaders and let them talk to students, give them a clear picture about what exactly industry needs from you and how you need to prepare that and upskill yourself as per industry standards.
Okay, so thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Ashwarya. Thank you.